Hi, good morning. This is our first morning announcement on October 20th. Welcome. It's Wednesday. I'd like to remind you that our muscles are only as good as our brain. In fact, our brain is one of the strongest muscles in our body, and we want to protect it. So let's stop the violence. Next week is Spirit Week. We will be having various days from 90s hip hop to Twin Day to Halloween costume dress up on Friday. Also, this Thursday is Parent Teachers Conferences. It will be held on Zoom. Can't wait to see your parents there. Thank you. Hi, good morning. Today is October 20th, 2021. I'm here to talk to you about school climate. As you know, we all have this muscle. The question is, can we find this muscle and practice using that mental muscle every day? Stop the violence. Um, Next week is Spirit Week, so get your twin outfits ready and your 90s hip hop outfit. We'll have various themes throughout the week. One last announcement is parent conferences are this Thursday. Uh, can't wait to see you there.